Hi and welcome to another Pizza Ramblings. Today we're going to make some sourdough pizza. So yesterday I went to the back of the fridge, dug out the sourdough, it was pretty hungry. I fed it a couple of times, it's bubbling away like mad now and it's ready for being used. So what we're going to do is a 48-hour proved sourdough, 8 hours in room temperature and 40 hours in the fridge fermenting in bulk. So let's get to it. So this is what's going on in the sourdough. This has been out since yesterday, out the fridge. I fed it yesterday and then took 100 grams of the feed from the day before, fed it this morning again. So this is what it looks like. Pretty gooey stuff. So I'm going to put pretty much 200 grams of this in the bowl. And then I'm going to add the flour, the salt, and do the usual procedure. So I'll do a quick start now. So this is what we're aiming for: 6 dough balls, 280 grams, 62% hydration, 3% salt. We've got 8 hours at leavening at room temperature, 21 degrees, 40 hours at cold temperature, or controlled temperature I think that is, at 3 degrees. Liquid sourdough, those are the doses: 929 grams of flour, 541 grams of water, 27 grams of salt, and I've actually sneaked it and thrown in 200 grams of yeast. If I get to use it a little earlier, that'll be fine, but I thought we'd try a little bit more. Sometimes it's a bit flatter, is sourdough. If we get a bit more yeast in there, it'll only give us a bit more of a taste and possibly a bit more of a area crust. So that's what I'm going to do. So inside there is the sourdough, and all I'm going to do now is fire in the water, and then I'm going to get that mixed up. Okay, so that's all mixed up now. It looks like milk. In with the flour, with a dough hook. Let's get this mixed up. In with the salt. Okay, that's been going for probably nearly 10 minutes, but it's feeling good. So I'm gonna get this out of here, and then I'm gonna cover it over and probably leave it for an hour, and then I'm gonna do some bench stretching on it, and then I'll put it back in this bowl and stick it in the fridge. So here we are. This is 12 hours on. Just come out of the fridge. It's definitely grown a bit. So all I'm going to do now is get it balled up, and then I'm going to put the balls back in the fridge. And I've got like 6 hours tomorrow that it's going to be at room temperature. So it should be 8 hours in total. I did 2 yesterday, and there's going to be 6 tomorrow, and that will then be 48 hours in total. Quick look at the gluten structure inside. And it's doing well, doing well. So there we have it. That's it balled up. 280 grams, 280 grams, and then 2 at 180 grams. These are peat sets. One's for the wife, one's for the daughter. And then after that lot, we end up with a 200 gram ball on its own. So that's going to be something, don't know yet, but anyway, so I'm going to put this lot back in the fridge. cracking little box, still fits in the fridge. Okay, so it's 12 o'clock, just got them out of the fridge, and there we are, spread out a little bit. But we'll leave them at room temperature now and cook them shortly. So it's time to cook some pizza. There's the sourdough, Caputo Nuvola with sourdough starter. Let's start making some pizza. Let's get a ball out. Feels good. Looks nice. Some sauce on. Cheese. Previously cooked mushrooms, butter, pepper, salt. Chicken, which is in this nice Chinese style salt that you can buy. Which is really nice, got a bit of chilli on it, a bit of aniseed, slightly sweet. Okay, on the peel. Onions on as well, why not? And then top it off with a bit of Gran Padano. That looks mint. Let's chuck it in, see what it comes out like. I'll just get my little blower and blow some ash away. Okay. And in she goes. cheese is starting to bubble now. I think that's done. Let's have a look at that. As I expected, sourdough, I tend to find it doesn't puff up as much for me. Don't know why, but it still looks like a nice pizza. Underneath looks okay. It's not got a bad crust on it. Cheese looks delicious. So let's give it a test, see if we can taste this sourdough. It's red hot. Yeah, it's not bad that. You can definitely taste the sourdough in there. So it's a little bit disappointing that it doesn't fluff up as good as some of the other pizzas, but it's still got a nice taste to it. That 40 hours in the fridge definitely does the job. So anyway, that's another one done.